Hey everyone, welcome back in tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to book an Uber ride for the first time. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest way to book an Uber ride for the first time. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Uber application on mobile device, and before that make sure you are logged in that. So now you can see here page of your that Uber. So first enable your that location. After doing all those things, now you can see here where to option at the top, so click on that. So you have to give your detail from pickup point and up to your destination point for where you want to go. You have to give. So after giving all those things, you have to select your that what you want. You are UberXL, Go Sedan, what you want. You can select that according to your account price and all. So now you can see at the down, if you want to pay with your cash, you can go through like this, and if you want to go directly, you want to pay later, then you can see here choose over auto. So select this option. So after giving this confirmation for the pickup, so in this way you can book your that Uber ride for the first time. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.